In this video, I will tell you about top philately from the world. Our first stamp is from Rhodesia and the year is 1904. Half page denomination and yellow-green is the color. Imperforate vertically is the specificity. Bottom sheet margin pair, and this is well centered and very fine. The Scott catalog number is 59B. Stamp from Palestine, year is 1917. There is 5 surcharge on 10 PA. Casa provisional. Most of these provisionals were used on money orders, which were required to be held at the arriving post office and later destroyed. Only few used on postcards still exist. Well, this is Mesopotamia stamp. Year is 1917. Half A on 10 PA. Green mosque on Salim. Very well centered and has large part original gum. Only 119 were issued. The Stanley Gibbon catalog number is 4. Well, this is Germany stamp. 1943 is the year of issue. 24 Fanning plus 26 Fanning von Wieselben propaganda stamp. The stamp has original gum and is nicely centered and margined. This is fresh and very fine. Well, Germany 1926 to 27 is the year of issue of this air post. These are complete set and all are bright and fresh, well centered, original gum, and the Michel catalog number is 378 to 384. Well, this is also from Germany. The year is 1951 to 52. 2 Fanning to 90 Fanning post horns complete set. This is a bright, fresh set and all are well centered and margined. Austria stamp 1910 is the year of issue. 1H to 10K birthday jubilee complete set. This set is very fresh and has bright color throughout and not often encountered, never hinged. The Scott catalog number is 128 to 44. Austria, year of issue 1946. 5G plus 3G and 12G plus 12G. Death mask complete set. Both are well centered and have original gum. Well, these two stamps are very scarce and are seldom offered in the auction. Canada stamp 1908. 2 cent, the centenary issue, and has large and well balanced margins all around with deep vibrant color on fresh clean paper. The unit rate catalog price is Canadian dollar 90. Well, this one is from Algeria and the year of issue is 1924. 60 cent is the denomination and the color is violet. The inverted overprint is the error, and this is 1925 cancel. The stamp has typical centering and only 10 examples are recorded. The Austria stamp, the famous 1936 10S Dolphus, very well centered and has a large balanced margins with intense shade. The Scott catalog number is 380 and the price in this catalog is $1,100. The China stamp issued in 1972. Ocean Freighters without gum is issued. This stamp is well centered and has nice margins with crisp impression and very fine appearance. The Scott number 1095 to 98. Well, this is France Military Air Post 1943. Senegal 1 franc 1.75 franc native. Par avian bâtiment de Ligny Richelieu overprint. And the Mori catalog numbers are 10 and 11. The price is €15,000. French Guinea 1913 2 cent brown and violet brown. The error is double impression of the vignette. Second impression is displayed slightly to the left. The stamp has large margins. The Mori catalog number is 64B and the price is €325. German state Bavaria stamp issued in 1862. 3KR black color with clear to white margins and light numeral cancel. The stamp has rich color and strong impression. Usual centering and fresh. The Scott catalogue J1. The German state Bavaria 1870 year. The 1KR black color with partial Munchausen postmark. Usual centering, fresh and fine appearance. The Scott catalogue number J2. The stamp is fresh with strong impression. Ivory Coast 1903 1 franc on 5 cent blue color with 3 margins in at top. A mere 17 were issued and seldom offered in any condition. The Scott catalogue number is Q13 and 4800 value. Well, the German state Mecklenburg-Strelitz 1861 year of issue and 1GR is the denomination. Blue is the color. This is a left margin single with ample to full margins and light boxed A-pen cancel. The Scott number 13. Canada 1908 year 5 cent denomination Quebec view. Unusually fresh and well scented. This stamp has large margins and has bright color on clean paper with crisp impression. Unitrade catalog price is $450. Canada 1908 20 cent arrival of the Cartier. Well, this stamp is unusually well scented and has large margins compared to the others. Well, several fingerprints are present on the gum and is graded extremely fine 90. Bulgaria 1882 3S orange and yellow background inverted error bottom margin single with original gum and only 9 used known copies exist. The Scott catalog number is 12A, price is $4,000. Bulgaria 1882 year 5S rose and pale rose color error. Center to left, some rubbed perforations, but Scott catalog number is 13A and the price is $3,000. This stamp is fresh and fine. Well, Germany 1923, 2 MLO on 200M vermilion color, PC variety, perforation 14 and 14 and a half, flat plate printing and centrally struck cancel. The Michel catalog 309A. East Germany 1951 12 fanning to 50 fanning China friendship stamps, fresh color and unblemished original gum, as nice as they come. Scott catalog number 82 to 84. Well, these have original gum. Greenland 1930 70A and 1KR parcel post with oval cancel. Both have precise centering and large balanced margins. These are fresh and Scott catalog number are Q7A and Q8A. Honduras 1925 10C deep blue color. Arrow Corius overprint in black color. Overprint setting is type A and only 24 copies were issued. The Scott catalog number C5. Honduras 1925 year 20 cent red brown color Afro Choreo overprint in black color, and this stamp is without gum, has tiny tear at the bottom right, otherwise it is fine. Only 7 examples are recorded. The Scott number C6D. Japan 1875 bird series 15S lilac color foreign wove paper and syllabic 1. The Scott catalog number is 47. Clean cut perforations and choice centering of this stamp and crossroad cancel. Well, US Federal Duck stamp 1970 year $3 rose keys top right plate number block of 4. These stamps are well centered and are extremely fine in appearance. The Scott number RW37, price $325. United States Federal Duck stamp issued in 1968, $3. Hooded mergansers, bottom left plate number block of 4. and these have violet color and are very fine and choice. The Scott number RW35 and the price is $325. Canal Zone issue 1951, 6 cent, light brown color, top margin block of 4. Miss perforation horizontally at a slight angle through bottom of the stem, resulting in large wide area in the top stems. Scott catalog number C22 and the price $300. I hope you liked the video. Thank you and keep visiting and watching the videos.